Padova is a mid-sized city in the northeastern part of Italy. It is located very close to Venice and close to other important cities like Bologna or Milan. Padova's historical center has a dense network of old streets opening into large squares called piazze, like Piazza dei Signori, Piazza delle Erbe, with the beautiful Palazzo della Ragione. A few steps away from the piazza there is one of the largest squares in Europe, Prato della Valle. With its wide garden surrounded by an oval canal and statues, it is one of the top places for students to meet. Padova is a very livable city. Most of the students move around with their bikes, but you can also opt for bike sharing or electric car sharing. Public transportation is spread throughout the city, and a convenient tram crosses it from north to south, passing through downtown. The university was founded in 1222 by a group of students and professors in search of the academic freedom, libertas in Latin, offered by the Republic of Venice. Inside Palazzo Bo, the oldest university building, you can still find the original podium from which Galileo used to teach. Elena Cornaropiscopia, the first woman who got a university degree, graduated here in 1678. The beautiful Great Hall hosts the most significant celebrations of the academic life. The anatomical theatre dates back to the 16th century and is the first permanent anatomical theatre in the world. The Botanical Garden is the world's oldest university garden to have maintained its original location. It is a UNESCO heritage site since 1997. The Goetz palm is the oldest plant in the garden. It is more than 400 years old. Students at the University of Padova have access to 6 canteens where they can have lunch, dinner and socialize. Libraries, study rooms and other facilities are conveniently located next to the main buildings and at walking or cycling distance from one another. We can provide our students with accommodation in various halls of residence. Some of them also reserve a quota for international students. If one prefers sharing a private flat with other students, a flourishing real estate market will guarantee suitable accommodation. Staying fit, despite many hours of study, will not be a problem. The KUS, University Sports Center, provides 2 large facilities where you can practice many sports, athletics, rugby, volleyball, basketball, boat races, etc. Aside from the opportunities offered by the university, Padova is a beautiful city with lots of young people and a lively social life. Foreign students will enjoy their stay here. Next to downtown is Portello area, near Piovego River, where all the engineering departments are located, including the Department of Information Engineering.
Welcome to the Department of Information Engineering. Here, more than 3,000 students cross their lives every day following our activities and courses that include applied optics, bioengineering, computer science, electronics, control theory and telecommunication. Our departments offer 4 bachelor degrees and 5 master degree courses. We have a strong international attitude, and in the last few years the number of our international students has increased, and we are looking forward to see it increasing even more. That is why 1 of our bachelor degrees and 3 of our master degrees are now completely held in English. In our courses we mix theory and application. Students have the possibility to practice in the labs what they have learned in the classes and be ready to start their working career once they end their studies. Besides the courses, students can find here a place where to study and socialize. Free Wi-Fi access, library with books in both Italian and English, study rooms and computer rooms. This was just a quick overview of our department, but to really understand what studying here means, you have to live it. And we are waiting to welcome you all.